With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. In a mixture, hydrogen, helium plus gas, helium plus is singly ionized helium atom. Hydrogen atom and helium plus ion are excited to their respective first excited state. Subsequently, hydrogen atom transfer their total excitation energy to helium plus ion by collision. Assume that source model atom is exactly valid. The wavelength of light emitted in the visual region is helium plus ion after collision with the hydrogen atom. Okay. So the wavelength corresponding to transition from n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 3, okay, in helium plus will be corresponding to visual region. Its wavelength is equal to how much? Hc upon lambda is equal to, we can write 13.6 into z value is z square to 4, okay, into 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 16, 1 upon n1 square plus 1 minus 1 upon n2 square, okay. So from here this will be how much? 4.1 into 10 to the power minus 15 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon lambda is equal to how much? This will be 13.6 into 4 into 7 upon 9 into 16, okay. So from here lambda is equal to how much? 4.1 into 10 to the power minus 15 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 Hc, okay, upon how much? 13.6 into 4 into 7 by 19 into 16 in meter, okay. So from here lambda is equal to how much? 4.68 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, okay. So this will be our answer. 6 point how much? 4.68 means approx 4.8 is into 10 to the power minus 7 meter means option 3rd is correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.